Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name of your PayPal. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And just a reminder, you guys can only change your name using PayPal's website version. I don't know why it's not available in mobile, it's not updated yet, but it's only available on your website. So you want to log into your PayPal account on the website by coming to paypal.com, which is right over here at the top, paypal.com. Let me show you guys. Just go to your browser, any browser, and search for paypal.com. Go to paypal.com and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you should be, welcome to PayPal's homepage just like this. Once you're in your PayPal's homepage, you want to go to the setting icon over here. Once you click on the setting icon, you want to go to where it says, account. And under account, it's going to show your name. My name is Kyondra Markey, and I can change it if I want to by clicking on where it says change name. Now this function is not available in mobile until now. I don't know why. So you want to go to, your browser version of PayPal and click on change name. After you click on change name, it gives you this option, first name, last name. Let's say I want to change it to Markey1. I want this to be my last name, and I can click and continue. And my name should be changed. I need to wait for some time. So it's going to send me a verification code over here. So once it sends me a verification code and, to my mobile or my email, whichever thing I have. And once that, code is over here and I can type the code by seeing on my phone. After the code is correct, it's going to, verify it's me. And once it's verified, the name will be changed. So this thing is done to make sure that you're the one who's changing your PayPal's name. The owner is the one who's changing your PayPal's name. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, by doing that, your name should be changed. So just enter your code and change your name. But right now I do not want to change my name, so I'm not going to enter the code. But if you guys enter the code, you can change your name. So that's basically how it works. Hope you guys were able to change your name. And just a reminder, once you guys change your name, you need to remind all the person who has to pay you that your name is changed. Because if somebody sends money to your old name and you have already changed it, you guys are not going to receive the money. Somebody with your old name is going to receive it. So make sure to remind all of your friends that you have changed the name. Otherwise, the money they send might be going to a wrong person. So just keep that in mind. All right. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are able to understand it. And do like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Peace out.